friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to create a basic navbar in HTML and TailWindCss. First, before you watch this video, make sure that you have watched my introduction to TailWindCss and introduction to HTML videos. Now, you open your browser and then write tailwindcss.com. Waiting. Anyways, wow, look at all this amazing code. Well, we're not here to admire your code today. We're here to use TailWindCss. Now, if you didn't see me, if you want to get started, you have to click on Get Started. And then click on Play CDN, copy the script tag. Now we have to open up VS Code. Anyways, now that Code Studio Visual is open, you have to click on File and then Open Folder. Go to Documents and then New Folder, and then name it now Tailwind. Create and then open. As simple as that. Now that our folder is opened, you obviously create a new file called index.html. But since you're going to be styling this navbar, you might think that we need to create an index.css. But that is totally unneeded because we are going to style everything with HTML. Yes, that's right, you heard me now. TailWindCss allows us to style our websites directly from HTML. Anyways, I have turned on autosave. You can judge what it does by the name, but if you don't, let me tell you, autosave makes it so that whenever I write a line of code or make a change to my file, it saves it automatically so that I don't have to be saving it manually. So if you want that, then click on this check mark. You see that with it disabled, I have to save it manually for every change I make. Enable it back. And we're not going to be using live server this time. Now click the H1 tag. And also, this H1 tag is just for testing, so you can put whatever text you want in it. Now copy this, paste it, and then you copy this one's path, then paste it, enter. If it worked, then you should see this with whatever text you wrote. And make sure not to put the fur in it, because the fur is going to make it so that it doesn't work. And if it doesn't work, you should see this with whatever text you put in it. Anyways, we're going to change this useless H1 tag, absolutely useless, into a div tag that will be useful. Since the navbar doesn't actually link to anywhere, I am just going to make everything div tags. reload. Yay, we have created some text on the screen. But should we really be happy that we have created some text on the screen? I mean, people have created much better things here in CSS. So, to create a navbar, something better than this, I'm going to write if class equals flex, justify around. Flex is the same thing as display flex, or justify around is the same thing as justify content space around. Now you would have already known this. If you already know flexbox, then you would know this. Now I'm not saying that you should go and learn about flexbox, since I'm going to create another video about it. Anyways, if you reload our page, you see that everything is evenly spaced out. But it's still just a bunch of text. Nothing really useful about it. So in the home, I'm going to write class font text 5XL text green 200. You see that now this home is now bigger and more colorful and beautiful. Now I am going to write BG blue 400 P6 to go with that. Maybe 300. Aha! I have nailed it. Now it has this beautiful blue background. Anyways, we're going to deal with the other ones later for now. But for now, we're really focusing on the whole. But you see, when we hover over it, nothing good or beautiful happens. It just does the same thing, stagnant, in one place. So I'm going to write hover text 6XL and another hover text green 400 bigger and better. When we hover over it, not only does it change size, but it also changes colors. But it doesn't have a smooth transition between hovering, so I'm going to write transition on, and then duration, and also ignore all of these auto-completions since they're useless. Duration 5,000. Anyway, this is getting kind of long, so I'm going to put the class on another line. Smoother and better. When we hover over it, it transitions smoothly between the two colors and the two sizes. I am going to change it to text green 300. The change is really subtle, but if you focus closely, then you can see. Anyways, now it's time for us to get concerned with all of these other things. Now we copy this class and then paste it here. Now I'm going to do this and change this to text blue 200 400 600 But this isn't really correct. It's it's turning green when I hover over it. So I'll change this text green 300 to text blue 300. But that practically makes it invisible. So I'm going to change this to 200. Change this to text blue 100. Aha! We have nailed it. Now, when we hover over it, it turns into a lighter shade of blue. Now copy and paste this into all of the div tags. Very, very good, but I want to add one more special addition. But this is the end of the video. This is the end of the video. So you don't need to add what I am adding, but I am just going to add it to make the navbar better. What I am adding is optional. You don't need to add it to your own since it's already finished. Now, in the div class, I'm going to write hover p8 transition on duration 500 be 5000. Much more better. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye!